All right, we are here in Tualatin to continue the series of dealing with getting back into your golf game and primarily being consistent after enduring either hip surgery or hip bursitis of some sort. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Carlos. I'm the creator of the Flexi Golf program. And primarily, we want to get you to not only play and swing pain free, but actually to be consistent, because consistency is what actually gets you to lower your score and, of course, your short game. Now, today, like I mentioned, we're going to be continuing dealing with you if you're coming back from a hip bursitis or total hip replacement after a few months. So, notice the way when you are trying to overcome and get back into your consistent backswing, you need to focus on two things out of the four things. I know everybody wants to go, faster, gain some speed so they can get distance. But right now, with your particular situation, I want you to focus on two things: your setup and your position, meaning you need to slow down how you go from position 1 to position 2. So by the time you come back down 3 to 4, on your downswing, you actually do not overcompensate for the lack of mobility and flexibility that you have dealt with for a few months. So very critical, those two things: your setup. Look at my footwork, look at the lead foot, how it's set up. And again, this is primarily for hip. When I did the knee one, it was a little different, because with the knee, we wanted to minimize the torque. Okay, with the hip, because we want to minimize also the torque, we want to actually recruit more of the oblique abdominals as well as your lats, but primarily the obliques, because you're probably not quite used to getting your full internal hip rotation after dealing with that procedure or injury or whatever the case may be. So pay attention, and of course, let me know what your thoughts are or if you have any questions. All right, let's see it.